If you slept 8 hours last night and you're still exhausted right now, you don't have a sleep problem. You have a brain problem. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why your mind feels like it's dragging itself through mud, even when your body did everything right. Because here's the twist nobody tells you. Burnout isn't tiredness. It's not something a nap fixes. It's your brain running a program it doesn't know how to shut off. Let's be honest. You wake up tired. You drink coffee just to feel normal. You get through the day on autopilot, and by 7 p.m., you're staring at a wall with zero energy to do anything you actually enjoy. You tell yourself, I just need a good weekend. So you rest, and Monday comes, and you're tired again. That's the trap. Because physical rest fixes physical exhaustion. But what you're dealing with is mental exhaustion. And that requires a completely different kind of recovery. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain has a system called the prefrontal cortex. Think of it as your mental control room. It handles decisions, focus, self-control, and planning. Every notification you check, every task you switch between, every small decision you make, should I reply now or later? What should I eat? Should I say something in that meeting? All of it drains the same mental battery. Most people aren't tired from doing too much. They're tired from deciding too much. So, how do you actually fix this? Not with more sleep, not with a vacation, with 3 specific shifts. Number 1, reduce decision load, not just workload. Your brain doesn't care how big a task is. It cares how many decisions it took. Automate the small stuff. Same breakfast, same clothes routine, same daily structure. Every decision you remove is energy you get back for what actually matters. Number 2, use recovery, not distraction. Scrolling your phone after a long day feels like rest, but it isn't. It's still input, still stimulation. Real recovery looks like silence, a walk without your phone, staring at nothing for 10 minutes. Boring is not wasted time. Boring is where your brain repairs itself. Number 3, single task on purpose. Multitasking doesn't exist. Your brain is just rapidly switching, and every switch costs energy. Pick one task. Close every other tab. Give your brain permission to focus on one thing at a time. You'll notice the fatigue drop within days, not weeks. Here's the truth. Burnout isn't a character flaw. It's not laziness. It's your brain sending you a warning signal, the same way physical pain warns your body. Ignore it, and it gets louder. Listen to it, and you can actually recover. If this explains something you've been feeling but couldn't put into words, hit subscribe. Now I want to know, drop a comment below and tell me, what's the number 1 thing that drains your mental energy the most right now? Work, social media, overthinking? And if you know someone who's running on empty right now, send them this video. I'll see you in the next one.